Good morning, friends. This is CA Shaurukh Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Welcome you all. Now, last week I could not basically publish any video because I was extremely busy with my training process and I really could not find any time. But trade did not stop because trade we have done in through mobile application. So trading will do their job and I will do my job, and that is called financial freedom. Now I will discuss two trades which you have done on last Friday, and usually I share my trades on Friday and also share my views. Now we have traded in ICICI Bank one lot and Axis Bank one lot. Although we got lot of trades, we could not do it, and you cannot do all the trades. Now let's discuss the ICICI Bank trade which we have done. Uh, this ICICI Bank, if you are seeing, it is actually after a downtrend, it is actually now going up, and it is going up. That does not mean that it will go up forever. At the moment, this ICICI Bank, as I see it, are you seeing a green line here? This green line is basically a trend changing line, which means this time cycle, according to time cycle, the trend reverses, and reverses we can predict the dates. These are the dates when the trend will change. These are the trades, dates when the trend will change. If you look at previous dates, this is where it has changed. This is where it has changed. So after this, it has come to a downtrend. So therefore ICICI Bank is in a juncture where it is supposed to change the trend, and it has completed a trade, time cycle reversal. These are the things we teach in our advanced Fibonacci and Gann classes a little bit. So basically entire purpose is not to give examination, but the purpose is to really understand, predict with confidence, and then do the trade. So what we have done in ICICI Bank, we'll tell you in intraday, but this is the structure of ICICI Bank, and eventually this is a very important trend cycle change, and this is the level where ICICI Bank we can see absolute bull trap, so therefore this is the kind of reversal I'm expecting. Okay, so let's go to ICICI Bank actual trade that we have done. So friends, trade with caution, because you are not supposed to take any trade without knowledge and without consulting a financial consultant, because we are also not SEBI registered, and entire thing is purely for education purpose. So I will show you with the help of our setup how you can make a trade. Now with this setup I have added two things. One is this is our stock show setup as usual. So when you become our student, you get this entire software. What you get? You get these things. You get the stock show setup, and you get the golden road setup. These are two are very deadly setup which actually makes money. And if you I will tell you I will tell you how the things would move. And this is the setup we constantly research, and this is the setup we say this is Om. This Om is very useful for, we say, option mastery, and Om is a very holy word. So this Om setup actually gives you few things. That is automatically, once Om is implemented, then you get hit here, that you get a different time frame, how these things are actually moving up, and with the with a comparison of sectors. So once you see sectors, what exactly I am meaning by sectors, that Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, belongs to banking sector. So how at the point of my trade, at the point of my trade, you know, at a 15-minute level, how bank nifty was positioned. So that is very important, because sector is my grandfather. So once we have to see sector position, we have to see exactly, how it has, how it is located, how it is positioned, so that whether the trend momentum which I want to encash in intraday, I will get the money or not. And I want quick money. So I have 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minute and 1 hour intraday time frame for this ohm setup. And this setup is actually, works very well. If you look at ohm here, so whenever I move my cursor, you will have ohm values here. Okay, you have your ohm values. So therefore, let me explain the trade which we have done with the help of our setup. Okay, so if we hide our setup, how can you take a trade? You do not know when I have entered. I am just seeing certain lines. So therefore, this is the beauty of our setup. With this setup, you will get these two things, and this ohm is actually a paid separately. This is for our student, it is 10,000 rupees, and for outsiders it is 20,000 rupees. And this ohm also explains, the squeeze, the Bollinger Band squeeze. So when you get a very tight situation, after the tight, the market actually, market actually releases, and you expect a big move. So you get four things together to take a bingo trade. Now let's do one thing. Let's delete all the lines. Now with this setup, let me now switch on the ICICI Bank setup. What we did. So without the setup, you see, you will not be able to know when exactly you need an alert, when to trade. And once we switch on the setup, what we have done is, what we are actually getting, what is my point of entry. I am seeing here, what I am seeing here, a X candle. First of all, this is an X candle. Second, we have got another diamond here. Once we have a X and diamond here, and we have also entered from red zone to green zone, and it is also rising. The black line has also started rising. And look at the position of ohm. Look at I will come to this separately. Once you have this particular blue line is actually previous high line, which is automatically plotted. So at what point of time we have entered in Axis Bank, we have, what should be our Axis Bank entry point. Our entry was at this level, once at 390 level. Why at 390? The reason is very simple. I got X candle here, I got a diamond candle here. So above the high above this candle is entry. And incidentally, when this high crosses, it crosses also the previous day's high line. So this is after crossing this previous day's high line. And then, if you look at the ohm position, this is additional confirmation. Now this is ohm. Look at the value. First of all, the black value at this level, at this particular level, you have 52. 52 is the banking index. Okay, but all other parameter, like, the red line is about 50, 58, and red line is about to cross. No, sorry, the red line has crossed 60. That is your son. Your father is 69. That is your 15 minutes. It has also crossed 60. And grandfather 1 hour chart, individual ICICI Bank 1 hour chart, it is also in 69. So therefore, at this particular level, when you see, look at the ohm part of it. It is so powerful. At this particular level, you get all this confirmation. So once you have this confirmation, at what point you have entered. I have entered it here at about 390, at 390 level, right? And then once we have entered the trade, we just wanted to enjoy the ride. See, black is rising, 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 and we have exited around 400 level. What 400 level? this particular line at 400 level, the candle once started this red candle, this red candle. Once the red candle was forming, and we have almost reached that top, the we prefer to book profit. And therefore at 3, our entry was at 390.55 exactly, and our exit is at 400 rupees. So how much, how much you have made, how much you have made, you have made is 390. The lot size Axis Bank is, we exited, we booked profit at 400 minus 390, 390.55, we got 9.45 points, and into 1375 was the lot. So we managed to get about 13,000 rupees. And now in this Axis Bank, how much time you have spent in this market? You waited, you entered at around 10 and you have exited at around 11, so in 1 hour. And then we left the trade, then we moved on to another trade at Axis Bank. Actually, Axis Bank also we did it parallelly. About once we exited the trade, almost we have we, since the it was on profit, we entered at, see, look at this 3x candle with a diamond, 3x candle with a diamond. And what is the ohm doing? You have Nikala satisfied here, Nikala satisfied here. So therefore high above this candle is was our entry. Our entry was about 459 in fact. So how above the high of this candle we have entered. So this is the confirmation candle. Then at this candle we have entered after the confirmation candle crossed 459, and then we exited again. Look at this particular candle. Why we exited? We exited because this is a our black special candle. So after a rally, when the black was forming, we immediately realized this is the optimum point to profit book your profit. So we exited about 464. Look at the look at the price line here, about 464. So we entered the trade at 459. We entered the trade at 459 again at 464 was a very small profit, minus 460, 459. That is, we only get 5 rupees, and 1200 was the stock stock size. We got 6,000 rupees. So absolutely 19,000 rupees we actually went out of the market at about 11 doing 2 trades. So this is the power of the software, and we have now recently started using ohm, left, right, and center, because this is what exactly give you the position of Bank Nifty or the particular sector that you can choose. And choosing is very easy. Once you click this, you can check any other sector. So supposing if you are dealing with Tata Steel, let's move to Tata Steel. Let's change the stock to Tata Steel. You will get, now Tata Steel has been replicated here. So what I will do is, I need a metal sector here. So therefore I go here and then click on Bank Nifty and remove Bank Nifty, and type CNX metal. And the moment I check CNX metal, I exactly know how metal was behaving. See, this is the point where actually I alerted all my students, there is a Nikala. So therefore there is a Nikala forming. And then once the Nikala is for, actually Nikala formed here, and then this is a 1700 rupees trade. 1700 was the lot size, and immediately went from 363, 373, it came down to 637. So 67 plus 373 is 7 rupees into 1700. You could have made 8,900, 9,000 rupees. And this exactly I relayed in the market hours, live market. So our students, many people have been benefited. See, I keep sharing my trades, sharing opportunity whenever there is an opportunity. And students also take trade. They know the meaning, and we don't have to tell many things. We just say watch, Nikala completed, watch, and then accordingly you apply your knowledge. Because we deliberately do not tell what to trade. We said this is a condition satisfied, now it is up to you to decide, and then mint money like that. Okay. So we have, that's all from my side in this particular category. And now we will also we also have the scanner. This scanner actually gives you a freedom to scan stocks in live market. So you can choose any time frame here. For example, if I want to see in 15 minutes what is the stock that are available for trade. And but this 15 minutes I have already selected, and it has given me Jindal stock, Jindal Steel and Century and Nifty. So we can go to Nifty first. And we first change the chart to 15 minutes, because scanner we have said at 15 minutes whether I will get a diamond scan or not. So we go to Nifty. We go to Nifty and we get a diamond here. We get a diamond here. So you don't have to really search for stocks. That your scanner will do the rest, and then you based on this you can take a stock. And other stocks that it has said. Let's say Century Textile, just for example. I am taking change it to Century Textile. Centuries Textile, automatically it has given a black diamond, that is it is going to calm down. It Nifty has given a green diamond. Here it has given a black diamond. And let us see another stock, our great friend Jindal Steel, what it has given. And it has also given a black diamond. So therefore metal might be, this could be a signal that metal could be weak on Monday. And accordingly our students would trade. And look at how our mm, this is, see the how our signal is perfecting. Now it is entered into a golden ride, is entering into a red zone. Then look at how Jindal Steel is, let's see, it is set to metal. Okay, fine. So therefore metal, what is the metal index? If I double click on the metal index, the black one, the black line is what? Black line is above. See, this is 40 line and this is 60 line. So black one is actually having a downward slope, and below 40, so it is weak. Then all other parameters showing indicating that it will go down. And if the sector goes down, then then it is a bingo trade, bingo short trade. Let's look at the metal index here. So if I convert it into a metal index, you see even in the metal index you have black diamond. So therefore this is how you should trade. So when the grandfather sector is weak, stock is weak, then obviously you can take a option. You can trade and you can buy puts and make money with less investment. Friends, so these are the things, and I will also now discuss our basic courses. If you become our student, you always get heavy discount in terms of our great indicators. We have a lot of research that we do, and time to time our students are benefited, and our support is our yeah, is our USP, because our students know even if we do not commit, the kind of support they give, kind of handle we do. So they know it very well, and they trust us, and we deliver. So we value their trust. Our basic course is mindset training, your kinetic pattern you get with that, the stock show ride and stock show setup. And the price has changed from October. The price has now become 30,000 rupees. It has increased by 5,000 rupees. And all the courses fees has gone up from 1st of October. So for option, and here you do not need any kind of knowledge in stock market. And without having a knowledge, you get such a powerful indicator and powerful signals that even 18-year child can do the trading. This is our setup. So we understand candlesticks, and these small things that we teach. And it's a 3-day course. Along with that, we have also an option mastery, option strategy courses, which cost 55,000. It has also gone up from 50,000. And here we do not teach Greek, implied volatility, open interest, alpha, beta, gamma, theta. No, we tell in a language which our mother will understand. So therefore, if an 18-year child can understand this trading, you can also do that. So therefore, simplicity is our tag point, and with the option strategy, we also teach you a few special strategies. And we have Fibonacci course, where of course, as we said, that the way we have said that ICICI Bank has a time cycle, so therefore it will be changing, and all those stuffs are, all those premium stuffs are basically taught. And this is a 1,50,000 rupees course, and this is a 1 month course, and advanced Fibonacci. And if you know this Fibonacci, you know the entire stock market, and you can make huge money throughout your life. So good people, wise people, people having wisdom, they invest in their education, train up themselves. And if you are not so wise, then you will spend money in entertainment, in malls, and without acquiring your skill set. And this skill set will remain forever, as ABCD is true, and it is applicable in every country, every all over the universe. This is also true. This our setup will be applicable everywhere. If you look at commodity, stock, USD, INR, dollar, foreign exchange, everywhere the same setup would work. Okay. So we have another price action module, which will cost you 30,000 rupees. So here we also teach you this candlesticks pattern, the volatility, the gap trading, the volume trading, so all those stuffs. And along with that, we have the masterpiece, that is bull trap and build bear trap. How will you know at the start of this setup? Let's say I have gone to ICICI Bank. Why is this line? What this line is indicating? This particular line is indicating this is a bull trap line. Why it is bull trap line? How do you know? See this, if we go to daily chart and see, exactly it is reacting from this line, exactly it has reacted. So therefore, in this particular case, if I maximize this, look at the bull trap line. This is absolutely in the trap. So therefore market has to calm down. And beauty of it is you cannot see any support resistance here. This is bull trap, means bull trap. This is how we should measure. And then if you even go to our Axis Bank, and then you can also get the bull trap in the similar fashion. So bull trap, bear trap is there everywhere in the market, and this is the course. This is one time course. This particular mathematical calculation, this course itself can change your life, because this trap is very important. And once I know that when you are trading here, how will I know that even in the running market this will be the trap? And if you know the trap, I will not buy here. Even if I see a diamond candle, I will not buy here. So therefore I know that this is a point where you should offload or book your profit and come out. This is how it should be done. And in this area, once it is in the bull trap, I book the profit and just keep quiet. And now if the market tomorrow, if it goes above it, then again I will buy. The bull trap has not worked. If it goes below, then trap worked. So I cannot control the market, but I can predict the market from where the possibility, there is a high probability of reversal. So this we have not increased. It is 50,000 rupees. So this you can take. And the diamond scanner ordinarily cost you 20,000 rupees, but for our student it is 10,000 rupees. And the ohm scanner is 20,000. Again, we have discounted, we were not discounting previously. So but our students, a lot of people have actually purchased this scanner, and that's the reason we have given it at a 50% discount. So this is what our students will get. So there is always a benefit. So please subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification button, so that even in the live market, when I start tweaking, and even I want to tell you what stock is actually gaining momentum, you can be updated and you can get benefited. Thank you very much. Good trading, good luck. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Day. Bye bye.